How to buy Bitcoin in Colombia. I could make a long video, but I'm going straight to the point. Forget about national exchanges. As much as I support local business, when it comes to Bitcoin, you have to focus on safety. Don't risk your money on smaller exchanges, as they are very susceptible to fraud. Instead, you should go to Binance. It is the most popular crypto exchange with the highest volume. Binance is internationally recognized as a safe and easy place to buy Bitcoin with dollars, euro, and dozens of other currencies. I've had an account there for years and I use it for all my trades. For Colombia, specifically, you can buy Bitcoin with the following options. Simply choose the one which is the most convenient for you. As with any other crypto exchange, you will have to verify your identity when converting your currency into Bitcoin. It's a quick process that should not take more than a few minutes. And the cool thing about Binance is that it's pretty much an all-in-one. You can easily convert from fiat to Bitcoin and vice versa, trade among hundreds of cryptocurrencies, learn about the technology, short sell Bitcoin, and even trade with leverage. If you want a lifetime 10% discount on fees, just click now the link in the description and sign up. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe for the best tips on everything related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching.